What the hell are you waiting for? IDK what to rant about? Oh wait, intro? Hi, I'm Dibsy, full name Dibsy Forland Dollington, and not my real name. I'm low-key new to ranting, so tips would be nice. I don't know what else to say besides Tisha's #1 fan twin. Wait, hold on. What the fuck is that?
Oh, hi. My name is Mela. What was the script again? Fuck this, I'm out.
Can I take over now? Okay. Hi, I'm Spoof. I like rainbows, ponies, and dogs. I'm Zoodle's cousin. What else was I going to say? Please give me more stuff to rant about. Hope you enjoyed.